was a 6th gen Camaro Z01 manual. His first car.
That's insane. That's insane.
His parents had the money to give him the car. Like, that's my boy Marshall. I love him, man.
Yeah.
But like, he's like, Ilkins, you want to drive? I said, no. No. He was like, no, it's cool. Like, I trust you. I don't trust myself, bro. Like, hey guys, we at the gas station right now. We about to hit a back-to-back Touge. Me and my boy Tien. Us in the Miata going back-to-back. You know, Camaro Miata life. They're up. Quick lightweight. $10 for fuel. Alright, I'm gonna give you guys the GoPro content.
Alright, are you just gonna hold it?
I'm gonna hold it. Alright, first things first, we're gonna get a GoPro ride in the Miata. Strapping up. Obviously, we got the Stig with us.
The Stig.
The anonymous driver.
The Asian Stig.
The Asian Stig.
The Asian Stig. Alright, ready?
I love the exhaust in this, man.
Thanks. No. It's like perfect because it's not too loud, but it's not too quiet, you know? Yeah. It goes off everywhere.
Yeah. You probably don't pick up every single gas station.
Oh shit. Oh, I missed it. I saw your other video, the Mexico one.
Yeah. The Mexico, this one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was funny as fuck.
Dude. Yeah, why does pressing merge so slow? I hope the, what's it called, is free, man. It's my first time taking it in a day.
You haven't got here in the day yet?
No, that's my first.
Dude, it's so nice during the day. I would put the top down if it wasn't fucking cold out.
Yeah. What is it, like, what, 47 degrees right now?
It's like 50.
I'm gonna swap the camera around. Let me get under. You know, can't share the good road.
Yeah. Probably go easy this first one. Holy shit. It feels like forever since I've been here.
Nah, I feel you, bro.
Dude, the sweeper is so long.
I went with my girlfriend during the, what's it called? Like when I had the Christmas lights on the car.
Yeah.
So I came down here with the Christmas lights off. And then just sent it. I didn't send it fully. I sent it at like 60, 70-ish. Now, she was like, oh my God. Now, she was like scared too because I took her at night and that was her first time. Yeah.
Dude, for someone's first time, it's always so scary.
Yeah. And then you gotta remember, like, I was rusty, so yeah.
I'm fucking rusty right now.
I probably got a little more. Damn, it looks so different in the day. I like this though.
It's really nice.
It's really calm right now.
This is why you gotta drive it during the day first.
Yeah. I might send her, I ain't gonna lie.
I'm so tempted.
Yeah, cause it's so calm right now, bro. Like, it's almost like, when will we ever get the chance again to be this calm during the day? Like, I know we got at least a nice 30. Ooh, damn, looking at this in the day is crazy.
Dude, it's so, I love it. It's so beautiful.
It's so crazy.
It's beautiful, bro.
Cause like, that section right there, that's where I sent her a little bit too hard and almost flew off.
Oh, that one back there?
Yeah.
That was up here.
No, it's right back there. Oh, that house is big.
Dude, there's some nice houses here. There's a lake over there. That's why it's called Lakeshore. You see how big that
yeah.
is?
That's crazy. I ain't even, bro, the whole time we're sitting there, I have never seen this.
Dude, it's a fucking
This is nice.
I might turn up the heat and put the top down.
Right now, we basically here.
This is the corner that's like...
Yeah, this is the hard corner. So I sent her right here, actually.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what I thought, because I slid on
don't know, this is basically like where most of the rich people live. They have the best roads, man.
Richest people in Mexico, bro.
What? The richest people in Mexico.
Yeah, right outside Mexico City.
Yep.
Are you gonna get tacos after? But if you're cold, I have heated seats down here too.
See? The bouginess, man. The bouginess. I got nothing but pure cloth base level trim. I love base level trim though, I'm not gonna lie. Because like
this is a fucking hard corner too.
This corner's not but the thing is, look,
it's hard on the way back because this one, the second one's like not as tight as the first one. The first one's tighter.
Yeah.
So like if you're going back, you gotta like slow down like between the corners. You know?
But the thing is, it's like I said, it's not bad during the day because you can actually see.
Yeah.
Like
this section during the day is so fun. At night, this section is fucking scary.
What? And that's the thing, because like, look, you're going up and then straight down.
Yeah, you see up
and
there,
then we're going right back up and then right back down. And you're doing this at like, because right now we're at like 40.
Yeah.
Like hypothetically, we're like half speed. Like 1 point, not me, but my anonymous driver was going like 100 at 1 point. So like, can you imagine that with like what, a 4-piston brake? No, not even 4 pistons.
Huh? Me?
No, me. I got like 2 pistons.
I got 1 pots all around.
Yeah, that's what it is. Yeah, one. That's what I got. The one piston that goes all the way around, bro. I got one on both sides. You got rev match or no?
No.
Oh, okay. Look at the footwork.
I'd be heel toeing.
And the shoes is crazy, Eric. You got skills, man.
Let me show you. I'm actually getting good at the heel toe.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll show you on the back.
Damn, dog. I wish it was dead empty. I wish it was dead empty. Because there's like...
It's not... Okay, look at the way going back though. I've seen like barely anything.
Yeah. Because like halfway through, it was nobody here. Which is cool, but... I sat in this corner a little bit too hard. I had to come, like, cut in through the other lane.
Maybe I'm not that rusty.
I'm gonna get back to when we start sending it just a little bit. Alright, top is off. We'll do a light send. Baby in the trends no more.
What? I am baby in the trends.
With that quick of a shift, man.
I don't know. It didn't buck much though, did it?
Nah.
Yeah. My heel toe is just smooth, I guess.
Damn. Oh, that's crazy. That's crazy. This person's actually turning. Obviously, this is a private road in Mexico, so. Not too worried. like what?
Like
30. So we're going like what? 25. Obviously the video is edited in high speed definition with custom exhaust clips. But no, that wasn't a bad run. Back doing a drive for my boy.
Okay, bye.
All right.
Is that your girl?
Yeah.
Does she get worried about you when you do this?
No, not really.
That's good.
She knows that I can drive. She just want me to be careful, you know.
Yeah. That's good.
Yeah, the garbage man really fucked this up.
My brakes are cold too right now.
Yeah. I mean, you did just pick this out the garage.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see. Oh, it still bites, but does it bite harder than your brakes?
I don't know, cause your car's smaller,
Yeah.
so you probably have to like tap it less compared to how much I have to tap it.
I mean, I don't stand on it, but I mean, I'm not like.
I don't lie. Sometimes through these tollgates, I be grazing the brakes, bro. Like foot be on the brake and the gas. Yeah, that's much more.
Dude, I love this little turn. I love this part right here. This part is so fucking scary.
Yeah. Cause with a little bit too much speed, man.
I know, you're cooked.
Yeah.
Oh, I learned how to float gears too.
What?
Fucking scary. Like when you shift without the clutch.
You do that?
You can.
In this?
You can. It's fucking scary. Like,
You've done it.
Alright, you see? No clutch, right?
What the heck? Why would you want to do that?
Huh?
Why would you want to do that?
It's just kind of fun. It's pretty bad for it. Well, if you do it, it's okay for it if you do it perfectly like that. But
Yeah.
like, it's like really easy to mess up.
Yeah.